if you've got a KTM and it doesn't want to start. And that's all you get. You might think your battery's flat, but it's not. The brushes have gone in the starter motor. Now KTM want you to buy a new starter motor, but I'm going to show you how to fix it for £12. So here's the starter motor. It's now in the vise. 7 mils. Take them two out. So undo the bolts, slowly take it apart. Now last time I done this, I done it on top of the mountain and I turned the brushes round, which got us quite a bit more of a ride. As you can see, with my glass on, that brush have gone, look. Can't get any more out of it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fit some new brushes. Stop. That's the part number. I got them off DHgate. I think it was DHgate, or it could have been the other one, AliExpress. Full kit. And all we've got to do now is take this one screw out here and take it out. But you can see what's happened. Like I said, that I turned them round the last time. So basically what I done, when it broke down on top of the mountain, I spun it round and put it on our way. So obviously we had double the amount of time out of the starter motor, but they won't sell you the kits. KTM will not send you the kits. They want 250 quid for a new starter motor. So this is what I'm going to do, and then we'll go and test it. There you are, the new brush is fitted, and that's all it is. So get them on AliExpress or DHgate. I'll give you the part number, save yourself a fortune. Starter motor's back on. There you are. That's all it is, the brushes.